Anil Mall with Steve Davidson representing one-to-one mining investment conferences. We're at VRIC for day 2. Steve, thanks for joining me.
Anil, thanks for having me on the show.
So we're here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference for 2026. It's day 2. You yourself are now representing one-to-one mining investment conferences. Talk to us a little bit about this company.
Yeah, so I'm the head of investor strategy for one-to-one. So we host one-on-one meeting conferences around the world. So we have events in London, New York, Cape Town, Hong Kong. We have a major online event as well. And so my role is managing the investor side of things, making sure the investors have the best experience coming to the different conferences. And we'll have a lot of companies similar to this conference, a lot of similar clients. We'll have 120 companies coming to our upcoming show, and we set them up with meetings. And my role is to make sure the investors are happy and taking meetings with the clients, and ultimately the clients get the best possible value at the conference as well.
Absolutely. So you mentioned a number of different conferences coming up globally. That must be exciting, especially with gold trading a lot higher, silver in triple digits. Being here at Vancouver Resource Investment Conference, what has the sentiment been like on the show floor?
Well, Anil, you and I worked at these conferences in the past, and so we know that it's really varied through the years. I can say that today the sentiment is awesome. People are flying high, they feel great, their share prices are doing well, the shareholders are happy. There's new investors that have never been to a conference before. I talked to 3 people who have never been to a mining conference, and this is the first time. So the energy is high. We're seeing that on our side as well. So we're seeing a ton of new investors, generalist investors, new family offices that are coming in. They want to get involved. They're looking for good events to come to meet with quality companies, and it's all over the world. So we're here to kind of help them deliver, and whatever me and my team can do to help set them up with the companies they want to meet with, we're going to make that as seamless as possible.
So for our viewers watching, whether they might be investors or publicly listed companies or even private, where can they reach out to you and find more information on your global conferences?
Yeah, so if you go to one-to-one-mininginvestment.com, you'll see a list of all our upcoming conferences. From there, you can click and register, and it's complimentary access for investors that qualify to attend. So you fill out the information, it'll go to my team and I, and we'd be happy to set you up at the conference. Yeah, it's going to be a great year. There's a lot of interest. There's a lot of companies that are ready to get out there and market, and there's a lot of investors who are realizing that now's the time for not just precious metals, but mining in general. And I think it's going to be a great 2026, Anil.
I appreciate that. Steve, maybe one day we'll be doing this at your show.
Hey, love to. Come on down.
Awesome. Thanks again for your time.
No problem. Thanks, Anil.